Hello everyone, Shrey here. Today, instead of doing a HackerRank question for my 100 days of code, I actually did a little bit of a personal project and made a Discord bot for my friend. It kind of makes fun of him, but overall it was just a joke that me and him came up with, and I thought it would be pretty funny to actually make it, real. So let's just go through the code here and I'll explain how I made it and what the code does and what the bot does. So here I imported a bunch of modules. I imported OS but never really used it, and from discord.utils I imported get, which basically gets information from Discord. I didn't really use this either due to the fact that I quite frankly didn't need it. But on import random and import Discord, the reasoning was there. I'm using it here. As you can see, I use random here and I use Discord here. But Discord is the Discord API, and it's what the bot runs on, and Discord does all the background stuff for you through this API. But through random, this is actually just a thing that makes stuff random for me. I don't have to actually make a random function myself. I can just import random and call it a day. So I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? But then let's just get to the actual code, not the importing of modules. So the first thing I did was initialize a variable called client, and this is discord.client. And this basically connects this Python script to the client, like this specific thing right here. So when I put this here, it does this part for me. I don't have to put in this rather long text, and it makes everything more readable. Next, there are two functions here, which I'll explain what they do later. I mean, if you watch my other videos, you'll probably know what this does. But next, we get on to some of the juicy, more Discord-related stuff. So the async def stands for asynchronous. Basically, this function is running on the side. It's just chilling over here, and it's just waiting for something to happen. And that something to happen is the Discord bot being launched. So if I stop my bot here, or if I stop my thing here, you'll see this bot will go offline in a moment. But while we're explaining, I'll just explain what the code does. So here, what this does is whenever the Discord bot does come online, it prints this message right here in the console. So I know that the Discord bot is up and running, nothing terrible has happened to it, stuff like that. But then if I do press run, it'll say 50 feet users is coming to Discord, it's connected to Discord, whatever. It's pretty cool. I don't think I'll be able to show you this part right here. It'll take a bit of time for it to, go back offline, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. I think you guys get the idea. Now, the next part is the actual commands, I guess, that I created. And so, first one is the message.content. So basically, this checks if the message contents contain this right here, and this is actually my friend. So my friend 50 over here doesn't like getting pinged, and so he will insult you lightly. Instead, this time I made a bot that kindly tells you to leave him alone for him. So if I do @50 here, the bot goes leave him alone. Pretty cool, right? So the way this works is that I just made a function, and it's x is equal to leave him alone. This is just dummy text for now. And here I actually put a bunch of hyperlinks, which are videos and stuff. So whenever you would ping him, it would give you a random assortment of a very cursed and not cool video. I'm just gonna refresh this really quick. Sorry about that, guys. So that's what you can see here. It's pretty cool. I know I'm kind of a genius, but overall it does work how it's supposed to, and it's pretty funny when you get a funny little hyperlink or video that comes up. You can put in your own stuff here if you want to use this bot for yourself. I'll post this on GitHub. But then you get to if message.content is equal to !insult, it will generate a random insult. And here you can put several verbs and several nouns. And if I do !insult here, let me go up here. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, wait, no, I just didn't run the bot. Just give that a moment. I had to refresh the page, so that led to the bot doing a little funnies. But that's pretty much all the code for this bot. It's a really cool bot. It took a lot of time to make just because I just did not understand the Discord documentation at all. It was really weird, and I wanted to check for mentions specifically, but I couldn't really do that. Well, thank you for watching. This was a really fun project. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, or don't. I don't care. Anyways, bye-bye.